Hi everybody, hope you're all alright. Nice and early. Like I mentioned, it gets light about 25 to, it will light about 25 to 7, it's about 6:45ish now, so it's not that over early. I've been down feed cat, she's having a napping car now, out at the road, but I thought I'll do a workshop video, just give what's going off. Obviously, Anglia's on last bit, so it's red lead on and that, and so I've got forced to just chuck in, which I think I've mentioned before, which I may get down to this week. Got a bit of a short week, because Friday I'm taking Lauren, eldest daughter, to Crufts, so we might end up with a dog, you never know. But Victor's got paint on. I'm putting face on Ely. Ely's obviously gone to its last blocking stage, so I thought I'd better let you have a look round. Been a bit interesting on Ely actually, because a bit of fiberglass in right cowls, right headlights and that a bit damaged and knocked about, but got them back somewhat like in shape, and so. But we're actually getting a face back on car now. I'll show you in a minute. And I know another unusual thing. I mean, well, you know I sold Daimler. That's gone to a chap. He's up Stoke. He's got he's got a few Jags, so I'm glad it's gone to somebody that'll do something with it. I think he's got somebody lined up to do his Webasto in it, and so he says he's gonna have it painted. So good on him, you know. He were a bit sceptical because it was a 280. I said, well, have you driven one? He said, no. I said, well, wait while you drive it then. I said, because then you'll be pleasantly surprised. So anyway, I sent me some pictures the other day, get it a wash, bright and chroma cut, and it looked nice. So good luck to him. And I mean, well, he don't need that much luck, because there's not that much wrong with car, like I told Joe before. But another little job I've had to come along, I mean, something a bit daft and zany, is like this. These are some templates, and they're for, it's like a little iJet thing. It's like a Japanese like pickup truck. It's about as big as a Tonka toy. Well, he wants some side skirts making. So what I'm going to do for that, I mean, I'm just quoting it, but he reckons I'll be doing it. But I'm going to make it like a little X-Pac thing. He's got wide wheels on it, and he's on about putting his 200 horsepower engine in. I mean, don't ask me what that's all about, because it'll just flip over and land on its roof. To be quite honest, that's my opinion anyway. But I mean, good on them. I mean, things are obviously changing. I've said that to you in the past. I mean, I know I'm in this older field, but I've got to get a few gaps that I can put interesting stuff like this. And some of you might find it interesting. I mean, it's same as that Sovereign Jaguar I've just put on. I mean, a few of you have had a look at it, and I mean, I don't know first thing about them, and they're all telling me, oh, they have I don't know if they have electronic ignition issues. I don't know what goes wrong with them. Do you get? I mean, I just know it starts up, it idles nice, it's nice and warm, interior's immaculate, body's brilliant, and I just think at £3,000, like I said to you on video, it's not hard at way. So somebody said road tax about 400 quid. Well, it's been on some pitfalls because it's a cheap car. That's why it's a cheap car, I suppose. I suppose if it were like, if you could tax it for free, or absolutely immaculate and that, well, it probably wouldn't be £3,000, would it? It'd be about 10 grand, you know. You know how it goes anyway. So, but I'm going to let you have a look round. And another thing I have got, which I've got a repair to do it. It's here. It's an O2 Focus. I mean, you might think, what's he doing with Focus? But like that, I think same as then. But it has fuel pump going in. It's got a fault on fuel pump. When it gets warm, it must have a heat or something. Apparently, it's common fault on them. And fuel filter. Now, it's an O2 plate. And when he asked me to do it, it's one of my friends, Chris. I said, well, it's not my scene. He says, well, it's 23-year-old. And it's true what he says. It's a Focus, but it's 23-year-old. It's only done 37,000 miles, and it's a little automatic too, but it's a lovely looking thing. So I might even do a video on it. So, I mean, watch out for that. Well, they were on about it, might even go for sale. So, I mean, I've no idea its value, but an O2 plate with 37, there can't be too many of them. So, I don't know, probably worth a couple of grand, I would have thought, because it's absolutely immaculate. I suppose you could go anywhere, and it's probably what they call a retro classics for these youngins. And I would have thought it's worth that. I mean, I ain't asked him what he's thinking, but that's just a figure I had in my head for it. But let's take you around anyway, and let's show you what's going off. So that's enough for me going on a bit, and I'll show you what has been happening. So come on. As I said to you, Anglia's all red oxided up now, doors are swung again, they're all stripped off, the belt repairs, I don't know if I showed you that before, and obviously they're floor panels to go in, which I'll get in this week, and then that'll be epoxy on rest of it, block out, let's get some paint on it, and let's get some glass in it, let's get it done and gone. I mean, it's been about a long time, chap obviously loves it to death, well I think you're all like it as well. I mean, it may seem a bit odd when it's left workshop, but it's like they all have to go one day. And then here we've got FB, that's in paint now. She's all painted up, so you look round. I mean, she needs a dry sand because obviously when I'm painting in here, I'm like a little bit restricted. So you know, it's like obviously a bit dusty. So I need to like mop them over. I go over with 1,000, and then I 1,500 down to a 3,000. Then I mop them back. So they're like glass when they're done. But it's made a lovely car. As you've seen before, inside all doors, everything's bang on now. They're all panels for inside, a little bit of under seal, and then it wants stone chipping under arches, and then there's plenty of lanyard underneath, and then we'll get a carpet set in it, we'll get seats chucked back in. We've got head gasket. My mate's turning me some, actually making me some front brake springs. Well, I'll have to mither him because he's been onto him for a bit for me. Front brakes, I'm missing them. And then we get it together, like I said, head gasket, new overall master cylinder, and we're good to go. I mean, on to Ely. We now got a face, because I've built these cowls up, all welded back on now. That's front valance, these at quarters. So these bottom quarters drop in here. And that goes like that. Meat marries up to that. So it's just a case of how to paint through now, and obviously we'll get some paint chucked under the bonnet. But it has to have its isolating coat now, and then it's top primer. Doors are all sweet and sorted. You know, it's all blocked to that. All a bit dusty. Cat's there, look. She's having a look at you. She's having a sleep in a Wolseley, just woke up, so. I mean, she's a good feral cat. She just comes inside and has a nap. She's got life of Riley, but. That's a look at that. Obviously it's Zodiac. To be honest, it's the only welding job I have got in now, and I'm just going to tack it, but I think I've got somebody who's going to give me a handwritten camera. So if we do that, I'm going to show you some bits and pieces, so it'll be really interesting for you, because you know what state that's in, you know what work I've had to do, and you know what else has got to be done. So, well, there's a look round, a bit of a chat what is going on. These are headlamp cowls as well, but they're fiberglass. I mean, I've had to rebuild corners on them and all sorts, but I studied how to show you stuff like this, but we've got Reliant coming through, so it will come through. You know, we're starting to change a bit how we're doing things, because, well, we're going to do what suits, to be honest. So, but these are like I said, they're all sorted out now, and they're ready to go on. There's a bit of a M6 thread to drop into that, 125, and well, I'll show you this one, obviously, when it's all shilted and stone chipped up and polished up. I mean, it's a sound job, it's lovely and smooth, but she's just a bit dry paint for me, because, to be honest, I think Ardno are just a touch fast. But I'm just a bit older. I can't get round them as fast, one or other, but. So there you have a look round. Bit of a catch up for you. What's happening, what's not happening, but, well, as you know, I'm back at it anyway. I'm enjoying myself and all, to be quite honest, at minutes. So not too bad, obviously. My dailies in, I'm just, well, she's just got a snout in. I'm just going to do my levels before I go. And then that's that. So, take care, everybody. And give a like if you like video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this. And pass a comment and I'll come back to you. But thanks for watching, everybody. And we're over 3,000 subscribers now. It's really appreciated. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.